Kaylee, thank you. Well, Florida's coral reefs are vital to our everyday lives. They do everything from protecting the shorelines from storm surge to supporting the underwater ecosystem. And now Mote Marine Laboratory has identified disease-resistant corals that could help restore those reefs. And they say this is just one step, but it's a very important one.
As Fox 13's Kimberly Quizon reports, scientists believe that it could help fight one of the deadliest diseases impacting Florida's coral reefs.
It's research that has been ongoing for the last 4 years here at Mote Marine Laboratory, and scientists say it will help continue their fight against stony coral tissue loss disease. The disease has been impacting corals since 2014, after it first appeared off the coast of Miami. Since that time, it's spread throughout Florida and now to the Caribbean. It impacts half of the Caribbean coral species on Florida's coral reef. It rapidly destroys the living tissue of corals and is known as one of the most deadly coral disease outbreaks.
We've lost a good deal of our living coral cover to this devastating disease, and we can't replenish the reef or restore it as quickly.
Mote has discovered mountainous star coral are the most resistant to the disease. They tested 154 different genotypes of the coral and found 12 were fully resistant to the disease. Dr. Sarah Williams says this will help them know where and what to plant when it comes to coral restoration.
Then we also had intermediate corals where some of the replicates got disease, some of them stayed healthy the entire time, or if they did get the disease, they didn't get it as quickly as the other corals in the experiment, or it took longer for them to die. So there's this whole range of resistance to the disease.
While this is good news, their work is far from over. This is just one disease plaguing coral reefs. The reefs are also being impacted by ocean acidification and heat stress.
We now know that there's this set of corals that are resistant, so we can go ahead and scale those up in our restoration program and have reefs that are going to survive the next disease outbreak.
Mote took more than 2,500 samples to try and figure out what makes the corals resistant to the disease. And they're working on that study with the University of Miami and NOAA's AOML. From Sarasota, Kimberly Quizon, Fox 13 News.